Right, so we're just going to do a wee demo then of how to put the leg laterals onto a chair then. So this is a Phoenix chair. It's the same as your Sorrento chair. So the best way to do it is just to tilt your chair back. So this is a manual chair, so we're just going to tilt it all the way back. So it gives you the full range in at the front. Just going to pull the cap out a wee bit. So to get the leg laterals on, you have to take the foot plate off. And then it's just the same idea as the foot plate is. Two wee plungers. So we've tilted the chair back so you're not scrubbing your hands off the floor. And then we're just putting it up, same idea. Put it up the way you need it to. If you do need to put the foot plate on then after, you can do, so just fold your foot plate down. And same idea. Just slide it up and it sits in place then. And then obviously tilt it back down. And you're ready to go then with your customer. So that's just a wee demo of how to add your leg laterals to your chair then. Thank you.